everyone, this is Vicky Huang from Bay Street Group. Welcome to this one of the most vibrant and lively area in the city, the Junction. The Bay Street Group is thrilled to bring to you the first look of the House of Assembly, the first phase of the Sterling Junction, one of the most highly anticipated developments by Morning Spring. The perfect transit scores of 100 transfer here with easy connections to the GO station, the TTC streetcars, and the subway lines. On average, the master planned communities experience the faster price appreciation than the single building projects. So if you are interested in this project, please contact Bay Street Group agents to register for the first access. The future starts here at House of Assembly.